Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Swagumanchi and friends, till now I have shown you my English, Maths, Hindi and Sanskrit project. So today I am with third part which is of Science and SST project. So without any further delays, let's start with it. But watch my video till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Friends, this is my science project. In this project, we have to mention food of Rajasthan and Assam. So, here I have mentioned food of Rajasthan. These are the famous food which are eaten in Rajasthan. गट्टे की सब्जी, राजस्थान थाली, बाजरे की रोटी. Here I have mentioned famous food item of Assam, khar, silkworm, bihu pitta, aloo pitika, masoor tenga, and this is the thali of Assam. Friends, in this project we have to mention two famous food of Rajasthan and Assam. This is the first food of Rajasthan. I have done mosaic art and it is dal bati churma. As in second part, I have told that I am from Bikaner, Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, dal bati churma is very famous. So whenever you visit Rajasthan, please don't forget to eat dal bati churma. And in Jaipur, there is a place Chowki Dani, where dal bati churma is very famous. So whenever you visit Jaipur, please eat dal bati churma and you are welcome to our Bikaner also. And I have mentioned here ingredients of dal bati churma. This is the second famous item of Rajasthan, which is ghevar. In Rajasthan, ghevar are available at two festivals only. First is Sankrant and second is Rakhi. So whenever you travel Rajasthan, please eat ghevar. These are the ingredients of the ghevar. So let's move towards our Assam project. First item is aloo pitika. See, this is the banana leaf, this is the chili, this is the two type of chutney served with aloo pitika, green and red, and this is the aloo pitika. This is the vegetarian famous dish of Assam, and here I have mentioned its ingredients. This is the second famous dish of Assam, which is masoor tenga. This is the fish. This is the gravy. Here I have added some stripes, which is cream. Here are the coriander leaves and the red are chili flakes. I have added small colorful papers and tried to make it 3D. This is the non-vegetarian famous dish of Assam. Here I have mentioned its ingredients. Let's move to our last project, which is of social studies SST. In this project, we have to take 3 states and we have to mention their food, language and dresses and dressed up dress. I have taken 3 states, Rajasthan, Punjab and Maharashtra, and dressed in Maharashtra's dress, which is Nawari sari. So let's start. First I will describe dresses of 3 states. Diversity in dresses in different states. So our first state is Punjab, second is Rajasthan and third is Maharashtra. What man and woman wear in Punjab, Rajasthan and Maharashtra, I have described it. These are the dresses of Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Punjab. I have drawn it and colored it and made it 3D. They will stand vertically. Friends, do you like presentation of my project? If you like, please tell me in the comment box. Let's begin with diversity in food. First is Punjab state. This is the food of Punjab. Lassi. This is the non-veg food chicken. And this is सरसों का साग और मक्की की रोटी. सरसों का साग and मक्की की रोटी is very famous in Punjab. And here I have given the slogan, खाओ पियो और ऐश करो. And here I have mentioned some more famous dishes of Punjab. Now, let's begin with Maharashtra. Famous Maharashtra food items. First is pav bhaji, second is vada pav, and third is modak. Chaturthi is the main festival of Maharashtra. In that festival, people offer modak as prasad to Lord Ganesha. And vada pav and pav bhaji of Maharashtra is famous in India. These are the popular food of Rajasthan, which is ghevar, dal bati churma, and Bikaneri bhujia. As I have told that I am from Bikaner, in Bikaner, mirchi vada, kachori, samosa, Bikaner bhujia, these are very famous. And here I have mentioned some more items of Rajasthan which are famous. This is diversity in language. Our first state is Rajasthan. Rajasthan language is Rajasthani, and here we also speak Hindi. Second is Punjab. Punjab official language is Punjabi. And third is Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, we speak Marathi. This is the main language of Maharashtra. This I wear Nawari sari. This is the dress of Maharashtra. I have to dress like a Maharashtrian. So my SST project is finished, and now I will tell you remarks of the teacher. This is the English remark. My teacher told me that she has given me the biggest remark. This is the maths remark. So creative, excellent work done, keep it up. This is the social studies remark. Well done, good, keep it up. And this is the science remark. Excellent work. This is the Hindi remark. Ati Uttam, excellent, outstanding, Shreshtham. And this is the Sanskrit remark. Shreshtham. Thank you, teacher, for your remarks. Friends, with this my third part is finished, and if you want to see my second and first part, I will describe the link in description box. Go from that and see through it. And in 5th standard, I have made an art integrated project which is on Assam. I will also describe that link. So friend, if you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you friends. Bye bye. We will meet in the next video.